Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YourHour. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet, and if you are not new here, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you guys. Today I'm going to be teaching on how to calculate the number of minutes you spend on your phone on the various apps in your phone, and how to be able to control this. So without talking much, let's get started. So you open your Play Store app, or if you're on iOS, you open your App Store. Mine is delaying a bit. It has come. And you search for this app. It's called YourHour. YourHour. The spelling does not contain any space in it. So open the first app that appears. So it's here. The logo is a palm with a clock in it. And when you open it, you can check out the ratings. It's well rated, 4.6, and the rating has been done by over 40,245 people. You can check some of the comments, though there are errors that people encountered, but still the app is good. So when you finish installing it, you come back. I've installed it already, so there's no need to install again. You open it. This is the interface. When you open, maybe they will give you, and when you open, they will give interface to what? Set it up. So when you set it up, you can do some of the things yourself. So you can set up your goal for the day. So usage goal, set up. You can increase the number of hours you wish to spend on your phone in a day. You can also reduce it. But for today, I set mine to 5 hours. And the number of times I'll unlock my phone 50 times. You can change the setting if you wish. If you don't want to spend more time, you can reduce it. And weekly settings, daily and weekly settings, you can do that. So when you are done with those settings, you can change the language, start time of the day. Maybe sometimes you might prefer that the start time will be less, and with all those. But for now, when you open the app, after setting up, this is what it gives you. It gives you the it tells you the amount of time you spent with the phone in a day. And as you can see, today I've spent 3 hours 51 minutes of the 4 hours I set to spend on my phone. And the number of times I unlocked is 62 times out of the 50 I set. And when you scroll up, you see the number of apps you've used most. And here in my case, it's WhatsApp that is most used. And you can open on it to find out the number of times you used on every app. So on WhatsApp, today I've spent 2 hours on WhatsApp. Almost 3 hours, 2 hours 55 minutes. On my pictures, 34 minutes. YouTube, 21 minutes. Phone. And that continues. Some of the apps I've not even opened them today, so they've recorded 0. And top visited apps, iOS launcher, I've opened it 125 times, WhatsApp 88 times, and that continues downwards. So that tells you the top number of apps I've used in a day. And here you have a bar chart of the various times you used it. In the week, the average number of times I've used the phone is 6 hours. That's bad. That's like I spent quarter of a day on phone. That was too bad. But anyway, when you come down here, you have the total amount of time you spent, and you can see the larger circle, the green one, 49%. I've used 49% of the time I use on my phone on WhatsApp. And you can look through. There are a lot of features in the apps that you can just check out for, but one thing that you can also check out is also the challenges. You can set the limit you use on each distance. So on WhatsApp, maybe if I want to try WhatsApp fasting, I want to fast from WhatsApp. Those of you in length, you understand, you can do 2 hours WhatsApp fasting, and when you click start, it will do that for you, so that within those 2 hours you won't be able to use WhatsApp. And you can set that for any other thing. You can also schedule and do a lot more. When you click on the plus icon, it gives you some of the apps that you can try setting. Maybe you choose some apps, you set up the challenge to fast from them, and at the end of the day you'll be able to check that out. So those are the app. It has a lot of features, and they're a whole lot, so you can get it for yourself. As I already told you, the name is YourHour, and here is also the weekly report of the app I've used. So you can check the day I used it. I spent 1/3 of my day on the phone was 17th March. That day I spent 8 hours 29 minutes on the phone. That's bad. I'll try to change since I now know this. Try to spend less time on your phone, because if you don't have productive things doing on it, because sometimes you might use it for business and other stuff. And that day I spent 4 hours on WhatsApp. That is 1/5 of the day I spent on WhatsApp reading messages and statuses. Nothing much. Though I might be sharing my tutorials, but that was also not good enough. And at the top here you can click PDF. It will convert the data there into a PDF for you, and it has been saved. So I can just open up here and view it. So those are about some of the features of the app. Get it for yourself on the App Store or Play Store, and I think it will be very useful to you, and you'll thank me later. So if you have problems with the installation or any features of the app, try and leave a comment below, and I'll also try and get the download link to the app on the comment section on the description for any help. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe right now, because there are a whole lot of tutorials coming up, and I'll do the second version of this tutorial using a different app. So if this app doesn't suit you, don't worry, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you.